We're one of the monkey exhibit toilet brushes up, guys. It's Louis. Today, we're going to be opening some more Pokemon cards. I just got them from the shop, and I haven't looked at a single one. As you can see, they're all in the packet, and the last one you guys liked a little bit, and so I thought maybe I should make another one. So here goes nothing. So here we've got the first packet. I'm going to open it up, see what we get. Big shout out to Pokemon as well. You should buy them. Cards are really good. Alright. So you got this card, Piper Keck. You got Mudbray, Joltik, Weedle, Tailo, Exploud, Garbodor, Energy, Gotote, Furhorn, blah blah blah. I don't know what that says. Oh, first card, just basics. Well, let's see what we get in the second pack. Got it right here, and we're going to open it. It's very hard to open, honestly. Sorry if I take a little while trying to open the packs. They're extremely hard. Oh. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm so bad at opening packets. I'm so sorry. Guys, it was so hard. I decided to just use scissors, which I'm going to do right now. So bad at cutting as well, bro. Okay. Here we go. Even after cutting it's pretty hard to open. Okay, I've got cards here. Put the scissors away. Alright. So, got Shuppet, Ferocist, Joltik, also the same card, Sandile, Seatot, Scablilla, that thing, Energy, thing, Memory Capsule. No good cards at the moment. Don't worry, still got 2 packs to go. Let's just get the scissors. Let's cut it open. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put it in the camera. Alright, wish me luck, guys. I really hope I get. Oh, that's just the barcode. Alright, we got Lickitung. I think that says Yamper, Scatterbug, Mr. Mime, Spoink, Bellsprout. That is a very nice looking card. Jelly Scent, Energy thingy. Bro, no good cards. Seriously, fusion pack. Come on, wish me luck for the last pack. Really hope I get something good. There's got to be something good in here. At least a GX or an EX. Unless we've got all VMAXs in this. Glingar, Slugma, got this one. Skitty, Flinks, oh, it's a Mew. It's a V. Let's go. Alright. Energy, Domadian, Flinks, and then that's it. So we got 1 V from that entire thing. Let's just have a look at its stats. Energy mix. Search your deck for an energy card and attach it to one of your Fusion Strike Pokemon, then shuffle your deck. Okay? 70 damage for that. So, 1V. The rest are all basics. Bit disappointed, honestly. Hopefully, I don't even know if this is a rare one, but now, so yeah, let me know, guys, which one you like more, the Mew V or the Leafon V. Both pretty good cards. Only cards that are not basics or stage 1, 2, 3s. So you got the Leafon, insane, and the Mew V, also really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.